Introducing FeltWorks Blades Acoustical Panels. Specify some dimension with peaks and valley panel kits. Suspension components are specified and ordered separately. Ebbs and Flow kits add dimension with a gentle rolling flow to the ceiling plane. Acoustical performance can range up to 70 sabins per square foot. 3 sizes of rectangular blades are available too, to expand your options. Combine this with 15 standard colors and get ready to unleash your creativity. Blades are suspended with aircraft cable and gripper hardware that engage the aluminum suspension bars. FeltWorks are made from 50% post-consumer PET fibers. 2-foot on-center hook details engage the black anodized suspension bars. Blades are fully accessible for when you need easy plenum access. Both Ebbs and Flows and Peaks and Valleys profiles are available in 48 or 96-inch kits. Get custom looks from standard products with easy-to-specify kits that can be aligned side by side and end to end for maximum creativity in larger spaces. Keep in mind, same direction, reverse direction, and alternating directions are possible. 6, 8, and 10-inch rectangular blade heights can be mixed for additional dimension. These profiles are not kitted and should be specified and ordered as individual items. These red-colored suspension bars are installed 2 feet on center, with the first and last runs spaced 11 7/8 inches from the blade's ends. Blades can be spaced apart in multiples of 4 inches. If your installation will have longer than 1 blade length, make sure to alternate and stagger your joints for the best visual. Suspension bars can be field cut, while splicing end to end is possible with our available splice accessory. Finally, all FeltWorks products are through color. Our installation instructions review a multitude of cutting tool options. To learn more, visit armstrongceilings.com/FeltWorks and unleash your creativity.